In this video, we're going to take a look at how to create 3 additional scales in Unit 2. That is the blues scale, the major pentatonic, and the minor pentatonic. The first thing we need to do is remember that each of these scales has a unique formula. Okay? And this formula is based off the major scale. So by remembering the formula of each of these, you will be able to create the blues scale, the major pentatonic, and the minor pentatonic. Let's start with some examples. Okay, steps. Alright, so the most basic way to do this that's really reliable is first you just write the major scale of whatever you're looking for. So in this question here, write the C blues scale. I would begin by writing the C major scale. Okay, and if it helps, I could put the numbers of the scale degrees on top. So this would be 1, this would be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Alright, so first thing to notice is that there are a couple of numbers missing in this blues scale. I'm going to cross those out. So I haven't got a 2, that's gone. I haven't got a 6, and that's all I can cross out for now. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is write it without those. I've also noticed that I've got an additional fifth in there. Okay, I have the natural fifth and the flattened fifth, or a lowered fifth. So I'm going to put that in there as well. So now I have to apply my flats or lowerings. Okay, it looks like my third has been lowered. So E down a semitone becomes E flat. That extra fifth note in there, we have a flattened fifth and a natural fifth. So I'm going to put G flat and G natural. And last but not least, my seventh has been flattened as well. So I'm going to flatten the seventh note, B flat. And the result, well, that's the C blues scale. C, E flat, F, G flat, G natural, B flat, and C. Okay, the next one, the major pentatonic, is probably the easiest of them all because you just need the first, second, third, fifth, and sixth note of any major scale. Okay, let's try an example. G major pentatonic, step 1, I'm going to write the major scale. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, and G. Okay, I can see that I'm missing the fourth note. I'll number these just to help me out. Okay, I'm missing the fourth and I'm missing the seventh. And what I've got left will be the major pentatonic scale. So G, A, B, D, E, and another G. Okay, I'll then go and notate that on the bass or the treble clef if I had to. Alright, the final one, the minor pentatonic. There are 2 ways to do this, and we're going to explore both. The first is to do it the same way we've been doing it so far. That'll work for you, and yeah, it's 100% reliable. First, I'd write the major scale, then I'd apply the formula. Let's do it that way. Okay, so I'm going to write the B major scale. Okay, I'm going to number them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. I'm going to cross out what I don't need. Okay, so I don't have the second and I don't have the sixth. Alright, and I'm going to indicate what I need to lower. Alright, so I'm going to lower my third and I'm going to lower my seventh by a semitone. And I'm going to put my answer under here. Okay, so I'm keeping B. I'm bringing D, but I'm lowering it by a semitone. So D sharp will become a D natural. I'm keeping E. I'm keeping F sharp, not including the sixth. I'm keeping A sharp, but I'm lowering it by a semitone. So A sharp becomes A natural. And finally, I've got my last beat. Alright, and then I will have arrived at the B minor pentatonic scale. The other way I can do this, like an alternative way, if you want to, is that I would write the natural minor, because that's already been lowered, and I'd just cross out what's not there. Okay, so let's try an example. I'll do the same one for B minor. Alright, I'm going to write the B natural minor scale. Remember, I do this by looking at the inside of the circle of fifths. Okay, so I've written B natural minor. I'm going to number them. And I'm going to cross out what's not there. Remember, I don't need to lower these because they've already been lowered in the B natural minor. Okay, so I don't have my second and I don't have my sixth. Just pop the answer in there. Okay, and I'm done. So to recap, to work out the blues scale, I wrote my major scale, I applied the formula and got rid of and added what I needed, and that was the result. Okay, for the major pentatonic, I wrote out the major scale and crossed out what I didn't need. That was the result. And for the minor pentatonic, there's two ways you can do it, both work just as well. You can write the major scale and apply the formula, or you can write the natural minor scale and cross off what you don't need. Okay, I hope that helps. Have a go at some of the questions.